Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are running a Shopify store and want to accept Payoneer payments directly from customers, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through how to add Payoneer checkout to Shopify in 2025. Step by step, let's get started. So first, a common question: can you use Payoneer with Shopify? The answer is not. Not directly as a built-in payment gateway, but there are two workarounds you can use. First of all, use Payoneer as a banking solution to receive payouts from Shopify via third-party gateways. Second, integrate Payoneer checkout using a custom or manual payment method or third-party plugin. In this video, we will focus on adding Payoneer checkout as a manual custom payment method, so your customers can pay you directly through Payoneer. Here's what you need before starting: a verified Payoneer business account, your Shopify store set up and ready, and a custom Payoneer payment request link. I'll show you how. And optional, Payoneer checkout API access if you want to scale up later. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. In the search bar, search Payoneer, select it and go to first link and choose your language, then sign in and or sign up if you haven't already, and log in your existing account. Enter your email and password, then sign in. After logging in, go to the top menu and get paid option, then request a payment. Here enter your own email address, like, wait a minute. Uh, just a minute. And enter your own email address. Just generate test link. And enter your and set a small test amount, let's say $1, and click request. Once the request is created, click into the request and copy the Payoneer payment link. Fill up this option. Then next, select your country name. Enter your website link here. This is the checkout link you will send your customers. If you want to get Creative, you can generate a different link per product, or use a payment um, from or use a payment form builder like Tally or Jotform to create a smoother experience. Now let's add it to Shopify. From your Shopify dashboard, select go to settings from the left sidebar, then payments, then manual payments method, then create custom payment method. In the custom name box, type something like pay with Payoneer, pay with Payoneer. In the additional details section, explain how the customer should pay. For example, after placing the order, you will be redirected to Payoneer to complete the payment. Please include your order ID in the notes. And in the payment instructions, paste your Payoneer payment link or right click here to pay, insert your link here, your Payoneer link which created earlier. Then at this line we will fulfill your orders as soon as possible, as soon as payment is received. That's it, and click activate, and now Payoneer will show up at checkout. To make it smoother, you can go a step further, create a custom thank you page after checkout with Payoneer instructions. If you want full automation and your business is scaling, you can apply for Payoneer API access. With this, you can fully integrate Payoneer checkout into your Shopify store using custom coding or hire a developer to do it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.